Hey everyone, welcome back to the video, and today we are going to see how we can set up MySQL Server, Workbench and MySQL Shell in Windows 11. So without wasting time, go in your favorite browser and search for MySQL. You will be redirected to the website of MySQL, and this is the official site of MySQL. You can see mysql.com. Here you can see the download section which is above. Just click on the download section and scroll a little bit more. So you can see MySQL Community GPU license. So just click on it, and here you can see you can download multiple types of different things that are there in MySQL. Okay, here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. Just click on that. From here, you can choose the operating system, but we are going to download this MySQL x86 8.0.3, and you can see it's near about 428 MB. And this is the one which is just the installer. It is of just 2.4 MB, but it's not the full server, it's just the installer. So just download this 428 MB by clicking on the download button. Just click here, no thanks, and just start my download. You can see in your downloads directory of Chrome, MySQL is getting downloaded. So let's wait until the MySQL download is finished. You can see MySQL download is finished. Here it is. So I'm just going to close my browser, open File Explorer, and in the Downloads folder, this MySQL installer is there. You can see it. Just right click it and open it. Or you can run it as an administrator, or you can just double click it. So you can see a small wizard is appear. Okay, this is MySQL installer 1.6, and now this wizard is open. So here there are the different types of installer. You can install the developer setup, custom tools, server, workbench, or you can do your custom. For this video, I want to show you details. That's why I'm going with custom setup and just hit on the next. So here, whatever you want to install in MySQL, so that's select that. So first of all, I'm going to install MySQL Server 8.0.3. So just click on it and swipe it rightwards. In the second applications, we are going to install MySQL Workbench. So just open MySQL Workbench and swipe it to the right. Then we are going to install Shell as well. So just select that and swipe it to the right. Okay. After that, we have some MySQL connectors for different language. So you can install it later as well. But just for the demonstration purpose, I am going to install MySQL connector for Python, and I'm just going to click on it and swipe it to the right. After that, documentation. Here you can install MySQL documentation and one sample database for practice of MySQL. So just open that and just click and right swipe the sample database, as well as you can open the documentation and just right swipe the documentation. Okay, so these are all the things we are going to install. So just click on the next. Here you can see the preview what we are going to install. Just click on the execute. So it will take some time to execute all those things. So hit on the next on configurations. So here you can install the, oh okay, you can see the thing that is port 3306 is going to be taken by MySQL, and here it will show you the authentication. So go with the strong and recommended authentication and just hit on the next. Here you need to provide the password for the root. So use a strong password. Okay, you can see the password is strong. Either you can add user as well. So for demonstration purpose, I am going to add one user. So let's give the name of user. So my name is Akshay, and I am going to provide the role of DB admin to this user, and I am going to provide the password for the user and just confirm the password by re-entering the password. Okay, so just hit on OK and just click on the next. So here are some Windows services that needs to be configured by MySQL. So you can see this is MySQL is the database, and here so you can see the directories as well. So just hit on the next for the server file permissions, and you can see in program data see MySQL. Here is the files or the data files for your SQL. It will check some up configuration and apply some configuration on it. So just wait for it. Then hit on the finish. Again, it will ask for some configurations. And now this is the product configuration. And we need to confirm the user that we have created is the user created by root. So that's why we need to provide the root password and just check. Click on it. Yeah, and then click on the next. So it will apply the configuration that we have provided for users and hit on the next. So you can see installation complete, and installation is successfully completed for MySQL. So you can click on the finish. It will launch MySQL Workbench as well as MySQL Shell client, you can see here. And you can try with different commands in MySQL Shell. Anyways, I'm just going to close both, and yeah, let's provide the path for the MySQL. So go in your file explorer and go in C directory. There go in program files. Here you can see the MySQL directory, and here all the products. So we are interested in MySQL Server. So just click on it. Here binaries folder, just click on it and copy the path from the URL bar. Just copy it, and you can open the environment variable by just right clicking, or uh, you can also open the environment variables by searching for system variables, and you can see edit the system variables. Here this wizard will open and go in advanced. Here you can see the environment variables. We need to change the system variable, and in system variable we need to add path variable. So you can create a new type of variable by actually adding new, but we want to edit it. So just to go in path variables and paste the path we have copied and click on OK. And again you need to click on OK on this wizard and click on OK. OK. So system variables are set, or you can say environment variables are applied. So we can check MySQL is installed properly or not. So open your command prompt and type the command MySQL space hyphen hyphen version and just hit enter. You can see the version of MySQL is 8.0.33. Let's try to log in MySQL. So MySQL space dash u and provide root space dash p, and now enter the password that is provided by you while setting up the MySQL server. So just click on it and you can see we are there in the MySQL shell. So I'm going to fire some basic database commands. So the first command is show database, and you can see the list of databases available in MySQL are shown here, and you can see the world database, which is the sample database that we have added at the time of installation. So let's use this world database. So use world semicolon and hit enter. You can see database change. Then show tables semicolon. You can see the tables country, city, and you can see the country languages. These are the tables. Let's select star from, and let's take a country table. So just double click, right click, and okay. You can see in the country table you have all this record. This is schema of your country table. You can scroll a little bit. I think there are almost 200 countries that are available in the world. So in this way you can fire different commands. We will see about the workbench in next. So let's exit the shell by clicking exit and just enter it. It says bye. Okay, enter it. We are exited the SQL workbench. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.